decide doing what I want.
Good morning. Welcome to my channel. My name is Michaela Janae, and if this is your second time, welcome back. So I didn't go to sleep until basically 6 something in the morning my time, 5 something here. It's beyond tired. I wasn't even like hungover. I was just tired because I don't drink. Like I'll drink like a cute cocktail, but anyway, brush my teeth, wash my face, and my lashes, let me show y'all, hanging on by a thread. But I did bring what you call these things, like little strip lashes, because I'm not really good with individuals. Like I sleep directly on my face, so I'm not surprised. Here they go, these little things. So I brought lash glue with me, and I most likely just put it right under my lashes, call it a day. Today is actually the pool party, so I'm actually going to see how the weather is. It looks better than it did yesterday, but it be bright out here, so I don't really know. Well, yesterday it was cool yesterday, but anyway, about to blow up some balloons for the decoration. About to make me, but first I'm gonna make me a coffee. I bought a brownie caramel creamer yesterday, so I want to try that. And we bought groceries, so you know how that is when you buy groceries at an Airbnb, like, or even like a hotel. Before your stay, you want to use as much as possible, so I'm gonna go in there and make that, and then we can start blowing balloons and get our day started before my other cousin come over and cook. He's making a brunch. I think it's gonna be lamb chops, salmon, shrimp, steak, I think too. I really don't remember, but everything's supposed to be good. Everything's supposed to be fire. Oh, let me show y'all my pajamas. That's what the PJs is giving. But anyway, skin looking alright though. Alright, I'm drained. Let's get this day started.
Fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk.
Y'all, I just got done making this coffee, and it's disgusting. I'm pissed, you know,
so bad,
but I'm gonna drink it.
Those freaking wings.
I'm gonna drink it.
But I don't know. Everybody keeps talking about how great food is in Houston. I'm still waiting to taste something good.
Ooh, is that shade coming from Jersey? I'm recording this. I gotta get dressed now because actually I have to go with my cousin to the store. I don't know what she's getting from the store, but tag along. So let's get up out of this. So I never showed y'all how I end up organizing everything. The socks is from last night, okay? Your girl is tired. And then I have to figure out this dirty clothes situation, but these are the pieces that I have. I really have so many things to wear. Nothing casual, so I think I'm just gonna wear this too. Hey y'all, so I just got done getting dressed. This is the outfit I'm wearing, just a regular jumpsuit and my sneakers. I literally only been wearing my sneakers because we ain't do nothing that wasn't casual yet. So we're heading to the store and they're blowing up the balloons right now. I was supposed to be a part of that, but hey, I'm not, you know, so so today, last night, I didn't get any good pictures of my outfit. And last night's outfit was fun, cute, flirty, but also glamorous because of the big hair, the makeup, and the bag. But I didn't get no real photos, so today I have to make sure I get some good pictures. And, oh, your phone right here.
we not too far.
Told you. I told you.
What the fuck? They not like us. They can literally go wash their
They
face.
need an hour. Probably shorter.
Exactly. An hour is estimated because they gonna blend into traffic.
Right.
Oh my god. And then I heard them talking about it yesterday. They was doing some shit like an hour, you mean 45 minutes? An hour? No, 45 minutes.
Told you.
Alright. I don't even know what the fuck to put on.
I didn't make my bed. So, alright.
I mean, if you want to just get ahead and just put on something,
In the room.
and you just put on something like while they're here, and then while they're cooking and stuff like that. Yeah.
Tonight it's supposed to be our silver night, so I'm wearing some.
Listen. She don't let us.
I want to dress up.
No clear directions were given at all.
That is not true.
So wait, we're gonna
That's why you
put.
got a silver swimwear.
That's all I got.
Oh, you don't got nothing else in there, so you naked every other day?
Yeah.
Alright. True. I got the stickies for the. I got.
Hey y'all, so we just made it to Party City. Right now we are in the, well, obviously the birthday stuff. We just came here to get a helium tank, and then my cousin just saw. She's supposed to be having a not supposed to. She's having a birthday photo shoot, so I guess we're gonna get some balloons and stuff for her photo shoot, and yeah, so. Oh, we're in here literally matching like twins. We both got on so I styled her for her trip, and I obviously styled myself. So I was just like, you know, I feel like denim jeans, Texas, great, you know, because I was thinking it's gonna be really hot. Child, we're literally in here matching like twins. Let me show you what my cousin got on. Let me go this way. Well, basically she got the same exact thing I have on. And anyway, I think we're gonna go to Dollar Tree next, and I think Target. Oh look, I haven't been in Party City in a long time because I don't be having parties, so I haven't had no need to come in here. I guess I used to come in here when I used to get like a Halloween costume, but I don't celebrate Halloween anymore, so never really no need for me to be in here because I don't really be celebrating nothing. That's kind of sad, but hopefully, you know, this will be a year that I will have a lot to celebrate. This is actually cool because that's actually her colors. Her colors are black, well, silver, really, but like a disco thing. But I don't know, I feel like buying stuff for Airbnb is just like tricky, especially when it's out of town, because you gotta throw all that stuff in the trash. Very wasteful. So I ain't gonna show it to her. Well, maybe I'll let her know, but because it's her choice at the end of the day. But unnecessary money being spent. Oh, look at this. That one right there. That come in silver? Oh yeah, it do. Oh, it's only $24. But anyway, I'll check in with y'all. Oh, this is what she got on. We like freaking twins. Oh, Shantae, look. The string. Okay. How many in here though?
That's a one kit. I don't know what's up.
I know one kid don't mean one balloon for $11. You know what I could do with $11? Buy 11 balloons.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip around just to
Thank you.
before I know. You should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all.
It's a cousin of the year, so we just came into some. It literally looked like a gas station, and it's the South is different. South is different, so it's a little market. So you got your liquor store, you got your home appliances. Oh yeah, how much is it? Got this. We could have got that from Dollar Tree. All you looking, and then it's also a casino in here. Oh, I can't see it. It's also a casino. It's crazy in here, but it's good lighting. So yeah, we went to Party City, went to Target, and Dollar Tree, and I got Starbucks like y'all saw. That Starbucks drink I got, so good. I found it on Pinterest. If you ever like, I'm tired of getting the same drinks from Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks. I'm telling you, go look on Pinterest And that's what I did. So I looked at strawberry frappuccino. Hey y'all, I just got back to the Airbnb. I just got back to my house. So they're in there cooking. They're chefing it up. The food smells so good. I'm gonna show you guys when everything's done. But until then, I'm about to hit the pool. It's drizzling a little bit, but if you're familiar with this Houston weather so far, like the whole week, the forecast is just rain, rain, rain. So it just feels like this is the best opportunity to do it. So I'm gonna just do it. And you know, last night I put my toe in the pool just to see how I was feeling. Well, yesterday, and it was pretty still warm. So I'm gonna just go in there, relax for a bit, and then get dressed and ready for the night. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm wearing. I think I'm just gonna wear, I was actually supposed to buy a silver swimwear. Mind you, the silver bathing suit was my idea because of the theming is my idea, the disco and all that. Child, I don't even have a silver bathing suit. So I literally bought my bathing suits last minute, literally like a couple days before we left. So I don't have it. So I just put on my bathing suit. The weather is still raining. I don't know if you can see like the little drizzles in the pool, but child, I ain't come all the way out here for nothing. Hope there's no bugs in this pool. Oh my god, I haven't been in the pool in so long. What if I fall? Cause she ain't got no handrail right here. Maybe I need to get off the phone before I lose my balance and fall in. BRB. So I'm in the pool now. Now that I think about it, I did read a sign that says the pool goes to 8 feet. But I don't know. She don't have nothing labeled out here. So I don't know if that means like the minute I step off of this, I'm going to be in 8 feet deep water. Or is it just 8 feet over there? So it don't say. So for reference, I'm only 5'6", and I think this pool goes deeper than, because I'm literally right here at the edge. Both feet on the ground. Oh yeah, this whole pool is 8 feet. It's 8 freaking feet deep. I can't swim. So let me be smart and get my happy butt out this pool. Yeah. Anyway, y'all, I just got into the hot tub side because that over there was very much so a swimming pool, and I cannot swim, honey. All I got is 3 feet, 4 the max, and all I could do is stand and look cute. And I'm already doing one side correctly. Hey y'all, so I don't know what was the last thing that I did, but I just got done eating. The brunch was pretty good. The pool was pretty great too. I'm actually watching one of my favorite bloggers, Kyle Pilo. That's my guy. So anyway, so I showered. I have on my underclothes for the evening. I put my oils on, my body oil. So, oh, I'm out of breath. I'm so full. I really want to take like a quick little nap if I can. Right now it's 6:21. I think we got a section at some bar, club, something my cousin did. I don't know. So I really don't know. Oh my god, I got stuff on my face. Y'all, I'm so sleepy. Like, I'm tired. And 8:13 p.m. and I've probably been relaxing right here for maybe 30 minutes, it feels like. But it's about that time. It's about that time I start getting ready. I know my cousin and his friends are gonna go back to their house around like 9 o'clock to start getting ready. But they're men, so you know, they don't have the extra steps like the hair and the makeup, all those things. And then my cousin and her girlfriends, they have to all three of them have to get in the shower. That's why I got out the pool first. I got in the pool first, and I also got out first, you know, to just give myself some buffer time, because they all have braids in their hair. I'm the only one that don't have braids. I have a quick weave in right now, and I have to style my hair. I have to do my makeup.
All my pretty girls to the floor. All the pretty boys. All my pretty girls to the floor. All the pretty boys. It's pure. It should cost $1 billion to look this good. It should cost $1 billion to look this good. It should cost $1 billion to look this good.
Hey y'all, I didn't check in for a few hours. As you can see, I did my hair, my makeup, and now I'm about to walk into some club, I guess, called 5015. This is one of the places I actually found a few weeks ago. I'm actually about to cross the street, but y'all, it took forever for us to leave this daggone house, so we just getting somewhere. It's me crossing the street and not having a right of way, but I literally got on a discos for a skirt, so I mean you can see me many miles away. Yeah, my feet hurt, so I'm wearing sandals. I was wearing them platforms that I was beasting to wear, but I'm happy I didn't wear them because I got a cute little walk. But I'm gonna let y'all know. Y'all, so I'm back. So we ended up going to 5015. I didn't even record in there. It was cool. It was cute. We was in there for like 30 minutes. We got there extremely late. Right now we're at Waffle House.
You know this ain't going well.
Right. I mean, if we want to be in a YouTube video, it's going on YouTube. That's all I can say.
We don't do that.
Exactly. So you got to stay out this camera.
We don't do that.
Sick of the side of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. No fun is not. Cause advertise this. Got to be more. Been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something we're safe.
Hey y'all, I just got back in the house. The car ride home was, I hurt my ankle, was an hour. So I braided my hair down while I sat in the car. I literally twisted my ankle last week. I decided to go for a walk, and I wore dunks while I was walking, and I don't know, I stepped down from the sidewalk and I stepped wrong. I don't know what I did, but my ankle hurts. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. This is my day 2 vlog, so hopefully tomorrow I'll do a better job at breaking the vlog up. I don't want it just to be like a straight day. But yeah, this is my first time vlogging, so I don't need to be so hard on myself. I just need to just record, and whatever happens happens. But anyway, my name is Michaela Janae. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon. Follow me on my social media handles on Instagram at ___ Michaela Janae. Girl, it has been a ball. It's been a blast, and your girl is tired. So good night, good night, good night.